Okay, containers. So if you look at my root container now, let's go in as root, select name, open mode from $containers. I've now got another pluggable container, but it's stuck in mount mode. Check out the listeners. Whoops, wrong listener. I'm running multiple listeners on this machine. Listener 122, that's better. And my listener, listening on port 1522, now knows about another service called JWPlug. That's my new container, and it's in mount mode. What if I try to connect to it? SQL Plus, System, Oracle, at 127.0.0.1, port 1522 / JWPlug. No good. sys / oops. Let's try it. Not a system, but let's go in as sys / Oracle as sysdba. Startup. So even with sysdba connections, startup and shutdown are syntactically the same, which is quite amazing. Even sysdba work is to a large extent unchanged when going to this environment. The only difference is that I had to go through the network and, of course, password file authentication. The first time you open a new one, by the way, a new pluggable container, it does take a bit of time as there's some configuration work being done in the new container as it starts up for the first time, but that should open shortly. Types of container. Oh, there we go. It's opened. And we'll now see that it is open read write. So I've now got two pluggable containers in the one multi-tenant database, the one CDB. I'm now, by the way, in the area where you'd have to pay for the license to use it, because once you have multiple pluggable containers, it's licensable. The containers we have, the root container is your control structure. There shouldn't be much going on in that at all. There really shouldn't be much going on there. The seed container is something that you can do nothing with. It's a read-only PDB. You can't open it read-write. You can't do anything with it at all. It's not exposed as a service. You don't see it here in the list of services. So what is it? It's just an empty template that's used for creating other pluggable containers. And when I created my new container, JWPlug, all that happened in the background is Oracle copied the data files that make up those table spaces, copied them, created a service for the new PDB, and registered it as a pluggable container. So the seed container is just the source of other pluggable containers. Can't do anything with it.